We get asked all the time, what product should we be putting on our house in Chicago from a siding perspective? And again, I feel like because I worked at James Hardie at one point, I was biased. I feel now that we've been doing this for the last 4 or 5 years in the Chicagoland area, without a shadow of a doubt, I tell everybody that Hardie is the best product on the marketplace for the Chicago area. I think for a lot of areas, but specifically in Chicago. Again, what a lot of people don't know is Hardie makes a couple different boards for northern climates versus southern climates. So for a durability standpoint, the board itself is actually made to basically last forever, but it's made to last and withstand the harsh winters that we get. And more so, what's interesting about the Chicago weather, we don't freeze in October and then thaw out in February. There's days where we'll actually, we'll wake up, it'll be freezing, thaws out by the morning time, and then at night it freezes again and gets cold again. So you've got the potential that this product could see a freeze thaw 4 or 5 times a day in some days in Chicago. And again, this product is made specifically for the temperatures and the climate that it's in. So from a durability standpoint, it's unmatched. I think from a product complement standpoint, again, not only do you have the sidings and the trims, but you also, not only do you have the sidings, but you've got the trims, you've got the soffits, you've got the fascias, you've got the components that'll let you have a super durable exterior on your home, but also that super durable exterior will have the same weathering cycle. So the trims, the siding, the board and batten, everything on that house that's of similar same material is obviously going to weather and age the same way. So from a maintenance cycle, you're keeping a consistent maintenance cycle on the home. One of the things I always thought was a bit of a marketing ploy when I worked for Hardie was we talked about woodpeckers. And then it's funny, as I got in the Chicago market, I didn't realize how much of an issue woodpecker damage really was in the Chicagoland area. So when you sit and you look at all your alternatives for products in the Chicagoland area, something that's going to be super durable that can withstand the weather, something that's going to be kind of low maintenance on similar maintenance cycles. When you're looking at pests and rodents, woodpeckers, bees, all that type, carpenter ants, things like that are kind of in the Chicagoland area, you sit back and say, my options are really Hardie fiber cement or vinyl, or a vinyl composite. Well, nobody wants to put a vinyl on their house, and the vinyl composites, they're more expensive and generally don't perform as well as the Hardie product does. In Chicago, I just struggle with, you're not gonna take wood off if you've got woodpecker problems and put wood back up. You're not gonna take wood off in a durable, in an area where you get such extreme weather like we do in Chicago, and put wood back up. The other alternatives, they just don't make sense when it comes to what we're doing from James Hardie stand, or what James Hardie provides. So I think from a durability, from a maintenance, and then finally, again, you get into the aesthetics. If you know what James Hardie is and you've been looking around, you think it's a good looking product. I have a lot of people that will go into the home and they don't necessarily know what the James Hardie product is. When we talk to the customer and we point them down the street and say, oh, you've got 4 homes on your street that are the product, and they go, oh wow, I love the way that home looks. I didn't know it was Hardie. I thought it was wood. So I think that the fact that it gives you that authentic look that people are looking for, with the capability of meeting all these different designs, from a board and batten to a shiplap to a V-groove to a shingle type look to a regular siding look, and all of those things can be done with one durable, low maintenance product. That's why we sell James Hardie in this marketplace. And again, I bought into it when I worked at the company, but even more of a testament, I think, is 5 years later, we use it every day and we recommend it every day because it truly is the best product for the Chicagoland market.